Welcome to our favorite recipe, Canada Day 2021. My name is Busola Adeniji. I'm the face behind SisiOniCake. Today, I'll be showing you how I make my chocolates, cupcake, and this two-tone design. I came to Canada August of 2020 during the pandemic, and I relocated from the UK after living there for 14 years. And I started my business in Canada Thanksgiving 2020. I've been baking since I was 8, and it's just been a passion. And I learned to bake as a child, and then I learned to decorate when I was in the UK. We lived there for 14 years, and it's just something I do that I enjoy. But this became a hobby business. November 2019, just before the pandemic started, I registered my business to bake for others in the UK. And then when I relocated here last year, August, I started my business again in the Thanksgiving of last year. Actually, cakes are for celebrating. So I'm hoping that you can celebrate with my cupcakes and my cakes and craft lovely memories with your friends and your family, you know. I wouldn't say I know too much about flowers, but I just like the beauty, and I think that's what a lot of people like. My culture is rich in celebrating. I tend to talk a lot about my culture. I talk about how we celebrate. Food just makes being happy and being merry easier for everybody. Yeah. I must say that I've had immense support from my local community of Bedford and now Hammond's Plain. And many of my customers, when they do pick up, I just like the joy and their surprise. Wow, it's so beautiful and all that. In November of last year, I wanted to do I did a giveaway to mark 1 year that I started baking for others. And it was shared so many times, liked so many times on Facebook. And Global Halifax TV got to hear about it, and they invited me for an interview. And so here I was, just 3 months in Canada, and I was being interviewed by one of the big TV stations in Halifax, talking about my cupcakes. It happened only because people liked and shared my post. Food is a powerful way to share your culture. When you're eating, you're more relaxed, everybody is more friendly, everybody is, food just opens a lot of avenue for easy discussion, for crafting memories, I do believe that. I won't say particularly that cakes are African. We learned how to bake cakes from the Western world, but obviously everybody has their own design and, improves on recipe, and that's where has gotten me to this place. Yeah.